Hello and welcome to Aspire. Today we've got another pod system for you, the Nautilus all-in-one pod system. We have 6 color options. We have blue, jade, silver, black, red and purple. Let's look at the size. It's 87.5 millimeters high with the top cap. It's 37 millimeters wide and 21 millimeters thick. The output is 12 watts and it's got a 1000 mAh inbuilt battery. Let's have a closer look. First, the drip tip protective cap. And as we can see on each side, there's pod release buttons. Out that pops. Okay. The fire button, 5 clicks on. Five clicks off. We have a USB charging port and ventilation holes. Let's have a closer look at the pod. The pod itself, the airflow is here and here, and we also have adjustable airflow here. The good thing about this new pod is that it uses the Nautilus coils, and it comes supplied with 2 Nautilus coils, both rated at 1.8 ohms, the standard coil and a coil for Nix salts. The tank itself holds 4.5 milliliters, and we do have a 2 milliliter TPD version, and it's bottom fill. So let's insert a coil, fill it up and have a try. So first of all, unscrew the coil mount and fit the Nix salt coil today. The Nix salt coil has a green band. Okay, nice and firmly, and then back into the pod itself. Nice and firm. Okay. Now, to fill, we just need to remove the silicone plug. And a nice big filling port here. I think it's about 5 millimeters, suitable for any style of filling bottle. There we go. This is obviously the 4.5 milliliter. Okay. Replace the silicone plug. Adjust the airflow. I'm going to have it a little tight, around a quarter there. Okay. So now we need to let this pod sit for about 5 minutes to fully saturate the coil. But let's have a closer look at the device. As I said, it's 5 clicks on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can see a purple light. When it's on, if we press the fire button, the light will indicate the Nautilus's current charge. When it's charged above 3.8 volts, the light will be like a purple color, I think. You could describe that. When the charge is between 3.5 and 3.8, this light will be blue only. When the charge drops to below 3.5 volts, the light will then become orange to remind you that it's time to charge your Nautilus all-in-one device. When you don't use the device, before you put it into your pocket or purse, click the fire button 5 times to turn off the device. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now it's off. Okay, so now we're going to insert the pod. Just push and you can hear it click. Let's see how it vapes. Okay, so let's have a vape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Really nice. These BVC coils from the Nautilus are really, really good, as you know. Thank you for watching Aspire Nautilus all-in-one device.